She, a pronoun often misused, misjudged, and incorrectly defined. Although she refers to one girl, it is she who puts the man in mankind. Yes, she is a three-letter word and cannot take much physically, but let the rooted markings on her face, which are scattered so freely, speak up to the emotion and mental stress she bears daily. The type that causes discoloration in her hair and puddles on her cheekbones, the kind that only she and only she can bear alone. They say home is where the heart is, but when he comes home, he says, where is she? So although she is a pronoun, she is also a connective, connecting the source of our existence to peace and tranquility. She is the manifestation of peace and love in her family. She manifests and manifests until they become flourishing members in society. So you see, she is also a noun and a verb. She constantly gives and loves with no restraint, and protects and nurtures without a single complaint. When she vows to protect you, she does so with every bone in her body. Her love knows no limits, what we would all call unconditionally. But often she may love with the expectation of gratitude. So appreciate that she is your helper, your advisor, your safe haven, and make her feel valued. She provides the difference between good and best. She will monitor your finances so that even your accountant is impressed. It is her tears which race down when she hears about the oppressed. And when it is time to battle the injustices, she is first to protest. So you see, she is a concept, a state of being, one which the English language can't explain in one category. She is the mother, the sister, the daughter, the wife, and any she that came to your mind immediately. So young Zakaria, although you didn't live to see the sacrifices she makes and would have made, your mother loves you and wishes you would have stayed. Although it hurts to see you gone, she knows you didn't die in vain. You left this world because the oppressors are so offended by a title, by a name. And to know that Abdullah, son of Hussein, was martyred before you eases the pain. So young Zakaria, know that history is repeating itself again, and your mother knows it too, but still wishes she hadn't got into that taxi. But there is no shortage in oppressors. In fact, they are spread around evenly. That where she didn't get into this taxi, there would be another one, another train station, another attack on our religiosity. Oppression is a disease which has existed for centuries and will not be cured until the Imam's reappearance and his 313. They say, your problem feels less problematic when you see other problems in comparison. Like when it's time for the Battle of Karbala and al-Banin gives up 4 of her sons. Or when Zainab alayha salam sees nothing but beauty. Despite the martyrdom of her brother, she makes it her duty, so as to maintain the principles set by Hussein. So when events like the ones in Karbala happen again, know you have been chosen to live a somewhat reflection of their pain. So my dear Zakaria, may you rest in peace, knowing that the females in history did not stand up only to fall consequently. So your mother will stand with them, firm with dignity. And since heaven lies under her blessed feet, and you are killed by the hands of the oppressors, then in heaven you shall meet. So you see, she will always be there. Your mother will always be your she, and will love you for eternity. Let's appreciate and respect the females in our lives. They are the mothers of humanity. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.